I'm Charles Beauvoir. I'm with Metro. I'm the project director for the Crenshaw LAX project and also overseeing this Century Crunch demolition project. At the moment we're at the intersection of Century and Aviation, probably a little more than a mile or so from the airport and approximately the same distance from the 405 freeway. This project, the Crenshaw LAX project, was awarded back in September to a contractor, and it's a design-build project where the contractor designs for a period of time and then starts construction. So we've been designing for a long time now, and we're finally really getting into the meat of construction. Tonight, we're going through multiple phases. At the end of the day, the big picture is that we're taking down this bridge. Demolition itself requires that the first thing that we do is we protect the roadway. We needed to put some plates down on the ground so that there any utility lines, we have a 24-inch water line and several other utilities underground, plates are placed on the ground so that as the structure comes down, debris comes down, it doesn't penetrate the street and doesn't hurt those utilities. Then to capture the bridge as it starts to fall, they're putting mounds of soil on the ground, varying anywhere from 2 feet to 10 feet in height to capture the bridge as it comes down. And next will be the chipping operation, where they start chipping away at some of the weaker points. Basically, you can imagine that if you have a jackhammer on steroids, you know, we have a huge piece of equipment that has a jackhammer head in front of it, much larger in diameter, and it's just chipping away. We have 4 of these, 2 on each side of the street, on opposite sides of the bridge, and they're chipping from each side at critical points of the bridge to weaken it to the point where it comes down. And what will rise from this will be an aerial structure, the Century Station, which will serve many of the hotels and supporting facilities for the airport near this station. And of course, this overall project is a 8.5 miles and $2 billion project with 8 stations, which will provide access to the airport, which is necessary for any world-class city. And finally, we'll be able to get the opportunity to get access to an airport through this rail system. This area, as much as any other area, is extremely congested because of the airport exit and so on. And relieving that congestion in any way that we can through this transit system is a big plus. And I've seen San Francisco and other cities that initially, once the patrons really get a taste of being able to take the train to the airport, they really embrace it and make the most of it.